Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today we're going to take a look at this brand new double pack with the Fire and Ice, Megalodon, and Dragon. Well, welcome back everyone. Yes, the Fire and Ice trucks are finally in stores. The first wave of them, at least, have hit these stores in my area in California. These, I'm not sure if we're going to be seeing a second mix of them, because the trucks on the back of the boxes that are featured, such as Max D and Monster Mutt, Dalmatian, are not in stores just yet. So I'm assuming we're going to receive a second mix of trucks maybe in the future, or we'll see these ones hit shelves right after these. I'm not sure just yet, or I don't have any confirmed information on what's going to happen with it, but for now I did find these two, and also I found the Zombie versus El Toro Loco pack. No one has seen the Wildfire versus Yeti, or the Dalmatian versus Max D, as well as the singles. People have seen the singles, but not the Blue Thunder or Alien Invasion Ice Team. I did not find singles today, but I did find these double packs. So today I'm only going to look at the Dragon and Megalodon. I'm going to look at the El Toro Loco and Zombie in a separate video, so we have more content for you guys. But these will only be in Walmarts, so no Targets or anything. So these are very cool. Very nice to see a Walmart exclusive pack, so this is one of them. And you can see it does have Max D and Monster Mutt Dalmatian on the back. These are corrected editions from the originals. So the original Walmart images actually showed Monster Mutt with a white mouth, and Max D had less fire. I actually have a Fire Max D from Spin Master, which is definitely the unrevised edition. So I'm very glad that they fixed some colors and stuff on here, so we'll see those in the future. But for today, we're going to open up this brand new pack with Megalodon and Dragon. So here we go. Oh, that's super cool. I never noticed this. Look at this. The Fire and Ice packaging actually has a little bit of orange and blue on the dirt. And actually you can see it right here too. The orange and white, and then the blue and white. And of course you got that nice Monster Jam, hard to see because the package is so big, but Fire and Ice on the logo as well. Here it is. And it does come with a complaint card, which is actually a new kind of complaint card. That's pretty cool. Very nice new complaint card compared to how they used to be, which of course is like this. And here are the trucks, brand new revised editions of these trucks. So originally Megalodon actually did not have the fin printing on the dorsal fin. It did not have the fire there. It did have green gums before. They actually made them yellow, thankfully. That's fixed up. And we do have the Dragon with clear horns now, transparent white horns instead of pure white horns. So I guess they went a little bit more inaccurate with how the trucks look, because of course these trucks do have incorrect colored chassis. But of course this is just for fun, you know, it's just toys, and the real trucks kind of look different from these ones, but you know, it's all good. There's not much of a difference there anyway. So I think these are amazing. These are really, really good looking trucks. I do have their counterparts, their normal editions. So you got the Fire Dragon and the, I guess you could call it the Ice, but the Water Megalodon. We'll start with Dragon here. So you got the nice transparent blue tires. So they're supposed to look like ice blocks. And you got these snow treads on top of that. Dark blue rims, a dark blue chassis, and a white roll cage. And of course the body itself is awesome. So let's take a look at the side panel. So you can see there you got the Dragon. All the decals of the regular real truck are on here. The Monster Jam Ice logo. Here's the front part here. The hood, the blue windshield, clear horns. Very nice touch right there. People preferred the white horns. I think the clear ones add a little more character to it. So you can see the Megalodon has yellow gums now. It has a red eye and the fire along the side. Very good representation of the truck. There should be enough fire to cover this end of the tail if it was based off the real truck. If it was made directly as the real truck, it should have the fire here, but this is the diecast edition. I'll give them a break on that one. So that it actually looks much better with the fire just at the end here. And they did add the dorsal fin fire, which I'll give them credit for as well. So that's pretty cool. And the only thing I have a complaint about this specific truck is that they didn't print on the plastic fins. So these should be fire fins. They should be black with fire on them. Or actually, they might be yellow on the bottom, but I definitely know that the real truck has fire on the fins, on the side fins. So maybe it's just because of its cost. I guess that's probably why, but it would have been nice to see fire on the fin here, on both sides. But still pretty cool, yellow fins. And of course, the fire logo with the Monster Jam and Megalodon in Fire Edition. So very cool. And this one has a translucent, I wouldn't say transparent, but translucent orange tire with yellow treads, and it has a red rim with a yellow roll cage and red chassis. So very interesting truck. By far, probably one of my favorite ones that they've come out with so far for Fire and Ice, and definitely awesome. Here's the comparison to the Megalodon regular edition. So obviously a slight difference as far as how the decals are. There is, of course, printing on the dorsal fin, which does not appear on the regular Megalodon. But as far as the line here of the white, it does do the same exact shape as the Fire. And of course, they added the fire underneath the Moss Jam logo. Besides that, they're identical trucks, just in different form. So very cool. And I love this red windshield, by the way. I didn't point that out, but that's there too. So there's the Fire Megalodon and the regular Megalodon. And here is the Dragon versus regular Dragon. There you go. There's the roof. The blue Dragon looks pretty good. I like how they did it. So that was the Fire Megalodon versus Dragon Ice Edition Spin Master Double Pack. They are finally in stores. You guys can find them in your stores hopefully soon in the coming weeks or days. It depends. Some stores get them right away, some take a while, but eventually everyone will have them, so it's super awesome to see them, and I'm very happy with how they did with this particular set. We'll take a look at the Zombie and the El Toro Loco pack in the next review, so look out for that in the coming days, and I'll see you guys next time. Let me know what you guys think about these trucks in the comments below. This is Ryan of Monster Jam OCD, signing out.